Well, kia ora folks, and welcome back to another episode of Working with Wood. My name's Dub, and today we're going to be building ourselves a guitar stool. I've been scrolling around for a few days on Pinterest, and I've seen a couple of ideas which I really like, and I'm going to combine them together. You can see this photo here. You've got the amp underneath, and that's what I want with my electric guitar. And also, I want somewhere where I can park my guitar up when it's not in use. So first things first, I'm going to cut the legs for my stool. I'm going to do them at 23 inches. I think that's a fairly good height by the time I get the seat on top. Once I'd cut all the pieces for the project, I then rounded off the edges using my belt sander. I used my pocket hole jig to create some pocket holes before assembling the first stage of the project. I then cut another 4 pieces of timber at 8 inches long to join the two halves of the frame together. Of course, I had to round the edges of these bits of timber as well and put some pocket holes in them. Alrighty, so I'm screwing it all together now, and I've reached a little bit of a snag. Because I'm trying to use my pocket holes here and I'm using a square drive, I actually can't get in there since these beams are only 8 inches long. But I do have my 90-degree angle tool, so if I chuck that bit in there like so, chuck that on there like that, you can now get into those holes. Grab a screw. Up just like that. Alright guys, so we've got the frame all sorted. I've just got some slats here which I'm yet to sand. That'll be for the seat and for the shelf. But I'm going to do a two-tone effect on this thing, so I want to paint the frame black, and then I'll just stain these bits of wood up and sort of have a two-tone effect on it. Alrighty guys, so the paint that I'm using is by British Paints. It's a Spray Easy paint primer. It's gloss black, and I thought I'll just do a few little light coats and see how it goes. So I haven't tried to cover the whole thing at the moment. This is just the first coat, so I just sort of sprayed a bit on there, let it dry for about 10 minutes, and I'll come back and give it another coat, and I'll just keep going until I think that it's looking good. So the paint's just drying at the moment, and it is looking really good. Now I'm going to start oiling these up with a bit of linseed oil, just with a rag here, and hopefully once everything's dry, we'll be able to start assembling it all together. And put that on there, push it in. So we're just starting to assemble the project now, just pre-drilling the holes so that the wood's not going to split. And we'll start with the bottom shelf. Alrighty folks, that about does it for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. And as always, I'll see you all in the next video. Now it's just time to rock out. Better get into something a little bit more comfortable.